Welcome to this tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D puzzle that consists of 6 faces, each covered with 9 stickers of 6 different colors. Before we start solving the cube, let's understand the notation used to describe the moves. Each face of the cube is assigned a letter: F for front, B for back, U for up, D for down, L for left, and R for right. For example, the letter F refers to the front face of the cube. Now that we understand the notation, let's learn the fundamental moves used to solve the cube. The fundamental moves are the U-turn, D-turn, L-turn, R-turn, F-turn, and B-turn. For example, the U-turn rotates the top layer of the cube clockwise. The first step in solving the cube is to create a white cross on the top surface. To create the white cross, hold the cube in front of you with the white cross facing upwards and the white cross on top. If a white edge piece is not in its correct position, use the U-turn and U-turn to move it to its correct position. Once the white cross is in place, the next step is to solve the white corners. To solve the white corners, use the U-turn and U-turn to move the white corners to their correct positions. If a white corner piece is not in its correct position, use the D-turn and D-turn to move it to its correct position. With the white cross and white corners in place, the next step is to solve the middle layer. To solve the middle layer, use the U-turn, U-turn, D-turn, and D-turn to move the middle layer pieces to their correct positions. If a middle layer piece is not in its correct position, use the L-turn and L-turn to move it to its correct position. The final step is to create a yellow cross on the bottom surface of the cube. To create the yellow cross, hold the cube in front of you with the yellow cross facing upwards and the yellow cross on the bottom. If a yellow edge piece is not in its correct position, use the R-turn and R-turn to move it to its correct position. The final step is to solve the yellow corners. To solve the yellow corners, use the R-turn and R-turn to move the yellow corners to their correct positions. If a yellow corner piece is not in its correct position, use the R-turn and R-turn to move it to its correct position. Congratulations! You have now solved the Rubik's Cube.